Hey, my Aries, welcome to Soulful Intuitive Tarot. We are going to do this reading for the third week of December. We are going to ask our spirits and guides what to expect in your love life in the third week of December. So these are general love readings. So if they don't resonate with you, please check your sun, moon and rising sign videos. Keep in mind, roles can be reversed. Cross watchers are welcome. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with your reading, Aries. Okay, first card. What are you feeling right now is the Six of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles, I'm so sorry. Waiting energy, like you're waiting for your ships to come. You've planted some seeds. You planted your in this relationship. You're expecting something. Okay, what are we expecting? That is the energy here. What are you expecting? How do your person feels? What your person feels, Aries, is the Strength card. Yes, they are feeling strong. They are feeling connected to themselves. They are feeling, yes, they are hopeful in this connection. Okay, what are your person's feelings for you? Two of Cups, loads of love, loads of love. They just don't have little feelings, they have lot of love for you. Okay, Aries. Then we have how you view your person as, how your person views you as, sorry. You view them as the Strength. Your person feels like Two of Cups. And how your person views you, spirits and guides, angels, universe, please tell me. Okay, they view you as Two of Wands. Waiting, again waiting, twice we have waiting energy here. In your feelings also you're waiting, in their feelings also for you is waiting. They know you're waiting for them. Okay, that means they know my Aries is waiting. Okay, what to expect? What are you hoping for in your hopes, spirits and guides? What are my Aries hoping for in this connection? They're hoping for Hierophant. We actually got two cards, Hierophant and the Four of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, you are hoping shut down, like you don't you're not very, you're closed off right now. And Hierophant is also a very strict kind of energy. I'll do as by the book and kind of energy. Let's see what is your person's what is your person hoping for, spirits and guides. What are my Aries person's hopes right now in this connection? Again we have two cards. They hope for Six of Wands. They hope for victory, Nine of Wands. They are guarding themselves, energy of perseverance. Yes, they are like too much they have worked so much and they want victory, that kind of energy. Okay, they know they have worked hard in this connection and they need victory in this with you. They just can't let go. They can't let go. They want victory in this connection. Okay, and their like persistence is shown in the Nine of Wands. Like they can't take the burden, but still they want to. They are working for it, right? Then we have what action you plan on taking with this person. What action my Aries plans on taking with this person. You plan on taking the Moon. You are not sure what to do. Seven of Pentacles, again that same energy is coming. You're waiting for the ships to come. You are seeing Two of Wands, waiting, and you don't know what's happening on the other side. Okay, Aries, this can be, roles can be reversed definitely, but you right now don't know. Doors are closed. Hierophant and the Four of Pentacles tells me that things are closed, that things are hidden, and no communication right now, no exchange of messages or talking kind of a thing. But love is there. You both love each other. Okay. What action your person plans on taking? Spirits and guides, please tell me what action my Aries person wants to take in this regard. We have Seven of Wands. They don't want to take action right now. They are standing their ground, protecting themselves. Okay. Now we'll ask for spirits and guides. What is the advice? What is the outcome of the situation? I just saw death. What is the outcome? And the Sun card. Oh my God. What is the outcome of the situation? What to expect in the month of third week of December? What to expect? What can my Aries expect in the third week of December? Spirits and guide in their connection. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. Yes. Spirits are telling you to wait. Focus on your work. Too many cards. Focus on your work right now. Okay. We'll clarify the Moon card first. Oops. Moon card is clarified by the Sun and Ten of Cups. Oh my goodness me. Such beautiful energy. Clarifying the Moon card. That is what action you plan on taking with this person. You definitely see them as their wish fulfillment, as your wish fulfillment, and you want the whole enchilada with them. You want the whole shebang. Okay. Then we'll see what action your person plans on taking. We have the Seven of Wands. Right now they are not planning on taking any action. We'll just try to clarify. Five of Swords. Oh my God. They are stuck. They are stuck somewhere. See, he's tied here. He can't even talk. That person, their mouth has been shut with a cloth. So your person is stuck somewhere. They are your wish fulfillment. This connection means a lot to you, Aries, and you are waiting. You want to wait for this. I can see the energies of waiting here, and let's see what next. We will pull out some angel answer cards for you for the third week of December for my Aries. Spirits and guides, please tell me what do my Aries need to know. What can they expect? What can my Aries expect in the month December third week? Okay, expecting forgiveness. You need to forgive something. Maybe you need to forgive them and start communicating with them. The Hierophant and the Four of Pentacles is like, this looks like a marriage situation where like the person has love for you. You both have love for each other, but communication is not happening. Yes, the answer is yes to your question, Aries. Whatever questions you have, forgive. You need to forgive something. You need to forgive this person for what they did or what happened in the past. And because the Five of Swords is conflicting energy, a lot of bickering, fights and all. And Seven of Wands that is the reason you people are like keeping away from each other. Not, your energies are really different here. No connection, no communication right now, and very held back energy. Okay, you have to forgive them, and the answer is yes. If you want to have 10 of cups with them, and the sun card, happily ever after with them. That's gonna happen with it. Okay, I'll pull out some chakra wisdom cards. What is the energies surrounding you and your person? 2 cards. Universe, please give me 2 cards, or too many. What are the energies surrounding my Aries? The third week of December. What do they expect? What do they expect? We have 2 cards, Quest and Impasse. So, lot of things hidden. Again, the moon energy. Here also we can see the moon. Things are hidden, Aries, right now, and this feels like a quest for you. You need to go a long way in this connection. You have come a long way in this connection, and things are coming to light to you, and there's some kind of you have to be careful of this 5 of swords energy. Some kind of lying, cheating, or deceiving going on maybe around you. This may not be connected with your connection, or it may be also. So you need to, this must have happened in before, and you need to forgive it and start on this new quest towards love with this person. Okay, Aries, this was your reading. I hope it helped, and please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and love and light.